Hey guys, welcome to another video by I2R CNC. In today's video, we'll be making a kid's chair for my daughter. We'll be using the Axiom AR Pro as well as the I2R4. The Axiom is a more robust model with a sturdier frame and bigger spindle, but the I2R4 is no slouch either. Either way, we'll be using both machines today to make the process go faster, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. The other day, my wife told me to make a chair for our daughter when she comes to visit us at the office. So I looked around on the internet for some inspiration for a chair that I liked. So this is the design that I came up with. I drew this up in our Vectric Aspire software. Chair. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks, have a good one.